India has set up a range of telescopes like the High Altitude Gamma Ray Telescope, Himalayan Chandra Telescope and Cherenkov Telescope at Hanle in Ladakh to observe and study the sky. The location is one of the highest sites in the world to set up astronomical observatories. Over here, India has set up the Indian Astronomical Observatory to monitor and operate telescopes. The observatory is located at the height of about 4,500 meters to provide the finest view of the night sky objects and events. In the series of telescopes, India launched its first robotic research telescope, GROWTH. It is an acronym for Global Relay of Observatories Watching Transients Happen. This telescope is a collaborative initiative of several countries like the US, UK and Israel. The telescope is built to study the transient events of the universe. The transients are the astronomical phenomenon occurring in deep sky, which brightens up for a particular period of time and fades rapidly like a supernova. The duration of these events range from seconds to hours or even days and weeks to several years. These are categorized under the time domain astronomy. GROWTH is a 70-centimeter robotic telescope. The three main tasks assigned to the robotic telescope are to look for explorations after the binary star manager, which happens when two stars come together due to gravitational force. Second, to study supernova explosions, and third, to study the nearby asteroids. The telescope not just discovers the transient events, but is also equipped with software to conduct the automated follow-up observations within 24 hours of the discovery. The telescope's observational field is 5 to 6 times larger than a normal telescope. This feature enables to change its focus from one part of the sky to another within the fraction of seconds. Moreover, the sensitive camera of the telescope can record the faintest transient events even in the daylight. The telescope is monitored by Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru and Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. This development will be beneficial in the better understanding of transient events of space which are happening almost every now and then.